All right, here we go. So let's code this thing and see what's going on. All right. Make sure this music ain't too loud. What that up for? Close. Get rid of some of this stuff. Close. No. Thanks. Close. All right. Let's go overview. May have to change that. I'm not 100% certain yet. May change this, but for right now, we need the first thing I need to do is fix this spacing here that this has going on. So let me kind of create, since I'm gonna have to do all of my coding on one device. If this is something I end up doing permanently, I am going to potentially buy me a 32-inch screen. That would be so amazing to code on a 32-inch screen if you're having to do side by side like this or something like that, like a wide screen. But we don't have that now, so we gonna do it like this. So let's see. I want to eliminate this space here, and I think I got that. Been a while since I've been in here. I've been doing some projects and stuff, so let's see, some Shopify stuff. So right, that's right here. So let's go ahead. We're not in any of this, so we need to go to our, not a context, but we need to go to the components and not the events. Need to go pages, budget, and then let's scroll down to right here. This space with class of layout is where the spacing is coming from. This is in a different one now. Let's add something here. So we're going to add a new class here that will make this go down some. Let me inspect a little bit. A lot of times I like to just go to inspect before I actually type the code and just seeing what I want to do. So right here it is. Let's see if y'all can see that. Grab this one. So we are there. So what I want to do, I want to add a margin top, probably. Yeah, add a margin top on that. It should be fine, I think. So go to my index.css, and I'm just gonna add a small class here. So I'm gonna just say margin dot top that, and then we'll say margin top. Say 10px, and just see what it looks like real quick. So go ahead and add that in. Let me get rid of these contexts because I keep getting confused. Once I get into the groove, though, it's gonna be straight. It take a couple hours for you to really get into that. Girls for city, find your love and your soul. Oh Lord, oh Lord. Remove. That's a weird thing to say. Anyway, let's continue. So we're gonna add more margin top here. Do we get? See that work? No. Back that up some. Okay, it works there. I don't know exactly why. Martin desktop. Activities, transaction. Yeah, that should work actually. Let's see. Let's exit out of that real quick. I did have to switch some stuff around before I got started. I think I know why. This layout. Let me remove that real quick. Let me see something. Okay. The layout is doing that. Forcing it up like that. So go here, go layout, probably one of the first. Here we go. Things I made. So I think what I'm gonna do is just add. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do is just take this. Place it in more from the top, and then go back to our budget, and then just delete layout real quick and see something. Perfect. That's exactly what we want it to do. Okay. Format. More than top 10px. Now I will say I do want it to tired of that. Don't do that. Yeah, that ain't it. Now, layout S2. Okay. Nope. Go to CSS. I want to go down. And then I want to add a layout too. So layout too. So layout is here. Yeah, layout. This too. This is gonna be important. So you want to say display, flex. And you want a justify content, space between, like that. And so I think I just recreated our initial issue, and I want a margin top to be 10px. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's it. That's about what we want. Want a little bit more margin here, so let's say 20 right there, and just see what happens. Oh yeah, I like that. That looks good. That looks good. Okay. Now you could say that one thing that, so you got 1, 2, 3, and they're kind of off here. You got 4 here, you got 3 here. Now one way I could fix this is, because I'm looking at this, and it's not in any way, shape, or form in order. So I think what I'm gonna do, is take these, and if I take the actual color out of these, it actually look a lot better, because the color is kind of giving me a weird vibe here. So what we're gonna do is, oh, appreciate the like, whoever liked that one like, thank you for that. All right, so we're gonna take these white colors off. So ant design, I need to look at the ant design stuff. I think, let me see, what's that, a card? Ant design card. So I think that is a what's it called? And I hope this stream ain't too loud. Let me see real quick. Take a second here. Make sure the stream ain't too loud real quick. I want to let here. So we're going to, not too loud. I do want to turn it down just a little bit more. Probably about 20. Yeah. It's fine if I hear the music. I don't want that music busting people's ears wide open. Yeah. Cool. All right, let's go back to ant design. So what we're gonna do is we need to take that white out of there. So let's go to the API here. So which one is this? This is probably card cover. No. Probably if I just, okay, I had to do this another way. Actions, border, cover. Let's see. Any of these examples have what I'm looking for? Not necessarily. This one kind of. I was just covering this. But all of them have that like white kind of border to them. Body style, inline style. Inline style to apply to the card content. Okay, all right, let's see. If I go to card, and I can just add a no fill. No fill. So it's filled, white is filling it up. So let's go back to our CSS, and we're going to add a card no fill. No fill. And let's go back to React app. I guess we got to do it this way. So we're going to say background color transparent. Nope. Green. Oh wait, I think that did work. No, it didn't, because it's already white. All right, what am I talking about? Let's see. We just need to get rid of the border. That's what we need to do. So border. That's right. Let's get rid of the border. That makes way more sense right there. That makes way more sense. Just get rid of the border. Yeah, let's just get rid of border, and let's get rid of that white line too. So what we can do, got one person here. Thank you for being in the building today. Let me know if that music is too loud, because you know what, it's kind of too loud in my speakers. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, about right there. Okay, so let's get rid of the border. So let me go back to anti-design. Bordered toggles rendering a border around the card. True. Okay, so we should be able to just turn that off without needing CSS. So let me go back here over here. Let's go to this, and so I want to turn it off for this first one. So card small. So I should be able to just type bordered false, right? So bordered false. So bordered, and then should be able to just say false like this. I'm pretty sure. See what we get here. No, still see the border, don't I? Yeah, that's not working. That's not working for sure. So maybe I'm putting this in wrong. Bordered like this. Border toggles rendering of the border around the card. I'm not sure. Am I thinking about this wrong? Or maybe it's supposed to be like this. No, that can't be right. Design don't do that. I just do like this. Nah. Because I got hoverboard true like this. So it gotta be false. Bordered false. Refresh it. No, I'm still getting the border from the card right here. Let me try it on this one. See what we get. That's fine if that's the case though. I just put CSS on it. Just say no border. Unless, wait a minute. Okay. Yeah, we're just gonna say give it a class of no border. And yeah, let's just give it a class of no border. And I kind of don't want to make this hoverable anymore, but we'll see. So we'll say no dash border, and then let's go ahead and make it a class. Yeah, we'll add it right here. So dot no border. No, wait a minute. There we go. No border. All right, bet. So now we got that. We can just say border, and then we'll say none, or is it just, I don't know if it's a border none. I think it's like border 1px. Oh yeah, it is border none. Okay, so we got border none here, and we're gonna do the same thing for the other two because it looks better with no border on it. And then the bottom ones will have borders, and then we'll have one long border across the top. So that looks a whole lot better, I think, in my opinion. So let's go ahead and add the rest of the no border here. So right here, no border, like that. Should eliminate that border for that one. Still hoverable though, which is, I guess that looks fine. Yeah, that looks a lot better. With no border going across the top like this. It almost makes me want to add even more padding to this, a margin, and give it a little bit more room, just because it looks so much more open. So I think that's what I'm going to do. So I can eliminate this margin top, go to top here, and we're gonna add let's add 30 and see what that looks like. Here we go. At 30. Okay. Yeah. 40. We're going to decrease these borders. I mean, this margin when we go mobile. But okay. Cool. All right. Now, like I said, let's pull up. I like to kind of go back and forth between mobile and what's called while I'm coding this. So I just want to select one of these. Let's select iPhone SE. That's odd because if you go here, it look like this. Now It's funny that this looks like this because okay, now I zoom. All right, my computer is bugging bad because yeah, we got to fix the mobile design of this because let me refresh real quick. Okay, now it snapped correctly. Okay, I was like, wait a minute, it shouldn't look like that on mobile. What? Okay, let's go budget. It's all okay. Here we go. This is what it should look like. That looks a whole lot better. And if you do that, it'll bring up the menu. Okay, that looked 10 times better. Okay, so the only thing that's bugging on mobile right now is just this activities right here. So this is bugging. So we got display flex and say flex. Should that be a wrap? Because this is not flexed up. Flex wrap. So flex dash wrap. Okay. That kind of does what I needed to do. Flex wrap. I think in layout, I think I have it correct. So here we go. So I basically got to copy this and then paste it and then put the 2 here. But that should do exactly what I want it to. Kinda. It kind of does what I wanted to do. Let me refresh. Okay. So we got activities, transactions, categories, which are all looking kind of wonky for now. I know what to do, so all we got to do is the cardboard, these cards. Card large 2, 3. Card large 1, 2, and 3. So card large 2 and then 3. Come down here. So we got card large, which is on here, but card large 2 with 100% and almost. And then we gotta get card 3, 100%. Okay. That kind of it's centers it for me, but it doesn't necessarily. Well, there's no content in it, first of all, and right now, so it's 100%. I think I gotta make this with 100%. No, I guess because let's see. Yeah, I want this actual card. Let's see. I love how it's centered, but it's not. I would say on the no border, I might change it to select the border because I think I want a border bottom. Once you're in that mobile layout, I think I want a border bottom right there. Okay, I'm debating that. I don't really like how that looks. You may not need one. It should be fine, I think. Yeah, it'd be all right. Yeah, it'd be all right. Not gonna worry about it. Not gonna worry about it. Not gonna worry about it. Okay. So these cards, for some reason, aren't like if you look at these, they're going all the way out. Man, they got a little pattern right here on the left, which I don't like that either. But that's I know why that is. and that's because of this. The way that not material. I so used to using material. I love material, but that's because of the way that Ant Design is set up. The reason why it has that little extra padding on the side that for some reason, like right here, does the same thing. But that's my OCD kicking in. That's definitely my OCD kicking in. And the padding, the margin right there doesn't look bad at all. It doesn't look bad. We just got to add some content to these and then it should be fine. So let's go ahead and go out of that view. Paste. That's 2. Delete this. There we go. And then paste it. Let's format the document here. And there we go. Now everything looks a little bit better. There we go. Starting to flow. That thing's still extra small. That's extra small. For some odd reason. I guess because it's not really in there. What's on that? It is card large. So large is on there. Okay, I see. So it should be 300 pixels. There we go. All right, let's go ahead and get into some little functionality here. Now the categories, if I exit it out, the categories shouldn't be that little bitty. Let me go large. Yeah, categories is not supposed to be like that. So I think that's because of this. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's why. Yeah, there we go. All right, that looks a whole lot better. And we'll fix it how we want on the larger one later on. But we have income, we got total savings, we have this, we have add income. Here we need to make that button work and give us the pop-up. So for anybody who is in here, I said I got one person in here. I just want to show you what I have so far. So we have an overview, we have this right here, and we have this add transactions. You can put in transactions. So let's say if I say Walmart, right? And if I say Walmart, you have a category, and this category is coming from the React context. So if I put in utilities, I can put the cost of that thing here, and this cost amount is in dollars. So I can say 7.10 and then submit that. And then once I submit that, you will see that in the latest transaction. So we do have some of the app already up and running. And ignore this right side because I think I'm going to change this agenda. I may add like a small to-do list on here as well. And oh wait, it's a work in progress right now, but we are working on it. And so I have this side right here is finished, but what we're working on now is really just this budget part right here. So I do appreciate you for coming in. Like the video if you want to stick around. So what we need to do now is be able to put these activities here, the transactions and the categories. And so I'm taking that from this thing. I'm gonna do a React chart. I'm gonna do transactions here, and I had the categories all listed. And those categories are still coming from this right here. These are going to be the categories, and it'll be a other. So I wonder if I can go on a site and like get some icons for this. I'm not 100% sure. But I think I want to get some icons for each one of these main categories that will be on the app so it'll look good. And other, if somebody want to add a category, it always have the other tag, and it'll be like some grayed out thing or whatever. So that's what we're going to do, and that's what we're going to work on as well. So, but for right now, we here. So I want to display these activities. And so now let's start working with React context a little bit. Not React context, but actually, let's do this first. Let's do transaction and categories because I already have that ready. The chart is not 100% functional yet. So let's go to investments and I mean budget. And let me get investments out in investment form. That's later on. And what I want to do is just simply, I don't want that, is simply go in the categories. So this is the card. And we can go ahead. I want to take that information from categories. So cost categories, use contact, budget contact. So I have that already. I want to console.log that. So console.log categories like this. And what we're going to do is inspect. Let me see what we got here. Console array. So we have all the categories that we need. And it's 8 of them, and we have caps on all of them. So let's go ahead and add these. We're gonna have to go inside of that. So let's go ahead and do that. Categories. Map. Map through these. Oh wait, tripping. Been a little while since I've been in React. I've been messing with Shopify for a little bit, just doing plain JavaScript, and now I'm tripping. Now I'm tripping. So one of the categories, let's get the items. I'm gonna display these items here. So let's say items dot and then name like this. Item dot name. So we got all the names here, and we want item dot cap. So item dot name, say items dot cap. Actually, let's put this inside of I'm thinking let's put this inside of a H1, and we'll say items dot name. Which I'm gonna change that. H1 is not preferred. That looks okay. That looks okay. Items dot name. That looks all right. Items dot name. Okay, let's go ahead and add a bracket. It's names with no S. There we go. Groceries, utilities, transportation, all that. So let's see what we got here. So got an icon for each one of these. I do want an icon, but we're probably gonna have to instead of putting categories in this way, probably gonna have to put it in another way and have an icon for each one of these, which we can do that. And then this code is gonna get very long, but for that right now I'm just gonna do it like this. And then I want that, so let me go to card real quick, and I want to see exactly how they have some of this stuff set up. I want to add like some text under. I'll just add a H5 like this, and then we'll say item.cap. So items.cap. Like that. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, tripping. So we need to add a div. Add something to cover this up. I'm just adding text. Told you, too much plain JavaScript's killing me. And then here we go. So that's what it'll look like. Maybe an H6. Class name of overflow scroll, and overflow scroll, and then overflow scroll. Oh Lord, no, that is not what I want. That ain't what we want. We need to add that on the card, I see. Actually, if we add a div on this, and then let's just add a fragment here, that should work. And then maybe overflow and scroll. What we get now? It's taking the entire thing. This is just gonna keep generating. Right. I guess because maybe it doesn't have a true height. So if I add a height, 10 pixels, what are we gonna get? Okay. So height 100%. See, we get okay. So height 10 pixels. Why did I do 10 pixels again? I just did 10 pixels. Yeah, let's see. Okay, that works. That works. Right? We just needed to be the same height as this thing. So if you say 100%, it's definitely gonna be way too much. So I don't know what the height is because I don't think card has a height. Okay, 300 seems to be pretty good. But we need, I don't like how ugly this looks. So what I'm gonna do is, what's this thing? Scroll bar. I'm drawing a blank. Okay, drawing a blank. Scroll bar CSS. Custom scroll bar. Width. I just want to say scroll bar none. See, it says scroll bar none. Okay, never mind. I need to just make it smaller. So I just need this part. Oh, okay. Tripping. Like that. Okay. Still works. All right, now let's see. Let's all right. Let me see. Is that going to? Oh yeah, that's what I want. That's exactly what I want right there. Okay. Wanted to kind of scroll through. All right. So now I'm gonna do is add a gray. Add that to make it kind of gray. It's H5 here. I guess I could just go inline style. Really, it's a color. I don't know if I really feel like adding it higher. That's for that. I want that to be light gray. Light gray. Okay. Thanks to E. Maybe I want just standard gray. Yeah. Light gray? We'll stick with the light gray for now. If anything, maybe change the H1 and change it to a normal title, or like I got the text in like this. We could just do that. So let's just do that. Item stop. And then we'll do the same thing for the H5. But actually, make this a title. I mean, this text. like that. Items that name, items that cat. Cat. Take that little style part right there. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Got 2 likes on stream, man. That's what I'm talking about. Gotta start somewhere. All right. So now that we got that done, we can add the transactions in too. So just like we did the categories, all we gotta do, I'm just copy and paste that. And so, but this time, I gotta go to my budget contacts. So, let's go contacts, budget contacts, and yep, right there, transaction. So, just like we did this one. So const, and then let's say transactions like that equals use context. You're gonna say budget context. So context transactions budget context. Okay, perfect. And in this one, we're gonna take the transactions that map, and there we go. So transactions items.name, perfect. And then what else is in here? So we got the UUID, which we don't need right now. We got name, got category, and we got cost. So name, category, and cost. So what we can do here is name, category, and cost. So name, category, and cost. So name items dot category dot cost, like that. You're gonna say category, then we'll say amount. So text doesn't add a new line, so we can do 1 or 2 things here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make this scroll too. So take this div and yep, take that div like that. So now it can scroll and we can get all of that information. I don't know if I want, I think I want to take this title. Let me see, they got another text on at design. Let's go to at design. Let's go to text and well, actually topography. And I need, so we got H5. Oh, so we got title, paragraph, and text, title, and paragraph. So what I'm gonna do is say const on the paragraph. So paragraph. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know which one is bigger necessarily. So I'm gonna just say paragraph. I want to see something here. Okay, it does add another line. And actually I want this to be okay. I want this blue. Color right here. I think I got color pick on here. Yep. Want that blue. Give me that right there. So color. I want yeah, kind of like how that looks. And then I want this to be like a red color. I don't really like that bright red like that. Or maybe I can take, since we got this color, let's just take that color and then paste it in. We'll use these colors again. Yeah, I'm kind of feeling that right there. I'm kind of feeling that. So yeah, I like that. I like how that looks, man. I may change this gray to that blue right here. Cause that kind of looks nice. So change that gray to that blue. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. So right now we have the context. We need this category, and then it will actually be way more. Here we go. Category here, like that. All right, they're looking good. Got one person in the building. Thank you for being in here. All right, so got category. Got categories. I kind of want this to be bigger. I'm not gonna lie. This category, groceries. Category, transparent. So, or let's just eliminate category altogether. Like this. Yeah, that looks better to me. So we got Kroger. And then another thing we can do, let me see. Let me just add a line here. I'm not gonna add it that way, but no, wrong one. I'm not gonna add it that way, but I want to see something real quick. I could add a line from here and see what it looks like. I'm not 100% sure. Like I can add the line, like a divider. And I don't know if it's called divider. I think it's called divider. And let's see. Yeah, I like that a lot better. I like that a lot better. Yeah. Yeah, I like the divider. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing here. Add a divider. Add a divider here. And let's see what that looks like. Yeah. Yeah, I like that better. Good deal. So now you can scroll through all your transactions. You can scroll through all your categories. Perfect. Perfect. All right. So now that we have that done, the next thing we need to do is focus on these activities. The activities should look like this somewhat. Now this right here, you know what? This looks a little different. This just has the date, which we don't have the date. I wonder, we may can add the date, but we had to change it in the context, which that's something I may add on the finished one, but we just need to get everything like functional and working. And then I can add dates later on. But for right now, I do kind of like that it's way out here, low key. And it's a little bit different. It kind of gives a distinction between these two. Like this amount should go over here to the right, and this grocery should stay. I kind of like that. I'm feeling that vibe right there. So what we're gonna do is just simply let's see, go to let me see. Let's see. Right here. Wait a minute. Let me see something real quick. Oh snap! All right, hey, if you type in React app, I'm right there. Type in live. Perfect. Yeah, let's do it like that. Hmm. All right. Let's see. I did notice something. If you're on mobile, you can't really see nothing. Which I may have to color. If I do that ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, I could. Oh yeah, that would do it. Let me see. Put it on, and let me see something. It may work. Let me look at it on my phone and see. I'm watching it now. Cause you can't even really see the code at all. Let's see. Now you still can't really see the code. I'm on my computer. Let me go to full screen. Okay, I can see a little bit on my computer. Oh, high pitch quality. My phone ain't turned on high pitch quality. I couldn't see nothing. Still got me running it on 1444p, which is interesting. So I don't know. Let's see if that better. About the same, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, about the same. Without have it like that or not. Oh wow. Oh well. Oh, should be fine. Mm-hmm. All right, so we got the dividers. What I want to do now is I want this amount over here. So what I could do is just add a div real quick and paste this inside there. And then I can take this fragment out. So this is gonna have a display flex on it, and then it's gonna wrap these two. So we're gonna have a div, and then I have another div like that. So this will go inside that div like that, and then what we're gonna do from there is let's add the style. I want to make sure that we got this right. So display and then flex. Okay. And then you want to add a space between align items. Items. And then I want this to be center. And then I want to add justify content. And I want that to be, and a space between. Space between. Oh, I see what it's doing. I don't need to be there. So I'm still gonna need the fragment after all. Still gonna need the fragment. Still need that fragment, homie. You see something real quick. So Oh, this ain't update, cause I was saying, yeah, that ain't update, cause that ain't what that supposed to look like. Okay. That was supposed to look like. Might space around might be better. Not a lot space between. And then all you gotta do is get this paragraph a margin left. So margin left of 1 px probably. My bad. Margin right. Margin right. Margin right. There we go. Now that looks better. What's up with these fans, bro? Great bots. That looks good. That looks good. All right, that looks good. Anyway. That might be a good idea. Let me go to settings and settings. Is that what I'm supposed to change? No, that ain't what I'm looking for. This is what I want. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Now, that's what I've been wanting to do the whole time. Somebody can read my code now. I can read my code better. So let's go in here. Scroll in a little bit. Oh yeah. This is gonna improve my quality of life by tenfold. Okay, now let me look at it on my phone. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, like that. That's gonna be great. For some reason my phone still got it looking pretty bad, but Yeah, if I'm zoomed in like that, people can actually see what my code says. Yeah, you can make it out a little bit. Oh yeah, that looks a whole lot better, and that's on 480p. Probably want to be on 1080p, and it really should kick up then. Oh, anyway, that works, and it's better for me a little bit too. I wish I could like. Oh yeah. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. Shout out to everybody who's in here right now. Thank you guys for being in. So what we have now, since I see it's three people in here, I want to just show you guys how far or what we have. And so what we got is a budget app, and what we can do is add these. So I say test category. You pick from the category, like you said other, and then I can say 5 and then submit it, and then it'll add it right there. But we got to get it saved and all that stuff. So let's go ahead. Let's continue. What we want to add now is a chart. We want a chart here. So let me go ahead and import our chart, which okay, I already did. And and inside of the activities, add income. Nope. I know I'm blind right now. Oh no, I'm not. Right here. So right here in activities, we're going to add the chart right here. So I'm gonna read the docs real quick. I don't need a donut chart. I need, let's see, examples. Line chart. Okay. I got the register. Okay, I got all that. Chart that register. There we go. Arc element, no. Copy that. Like that. And I'm gonna do it this way. So all we gotta do is put it like this. Now that data is not existent right now, so we're just gonna comment that out. The data is non-existent. So title, we got the budget, and zoom out a little bit. So let's make, oh yeah, that probably do a better job. So what we gotta do now is we can delete that. Let's say const, and we need to get the data. And if I go back to the chart, so we need to copy this data like this, and we don't need to export. Leave the export out. So const data, and then some of this is not available yet, but we're gonna fix that here in a second. And actually add some space. We can take the, just like that. And this is TypeScript. Hold on, wait a minute. Let me delete this real quick. I like that. Take that out. I need this data now. Okay. All right. Bill ain't working on that one easy. All right, so we got the chart in. I want that color. And we really Just need one of these. Need one of those. And now we're gonna hard code these, but we're gonna make it dynamic in a minute. Just want to get that look. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And I don't want don't need a label. I like how I say unidentified. And so how quick you find the answer to your problems. Okay, I want I want it. And then I want nah, I ain't messing with that. All right, that's perfect. All right. What I gotta do is see, I want to get this color here like this. There we go. Let's copy, paste that one. There we go. That looks a lot better. So we got, oh shit. Oh, tail going down. Sorry about that. Anyway, so everything is looking decently. And then now what we gotta do is add, take that unidentified out. And I kind of, this, Oh, display false like that. Ain't put a constant nothing. And then here it is right here. Like that. Looks good. John Bud, what's up, Drew, man? What's going on, yo? You see I'm up in here, ain't a soul in here. But that's all good. I figured when nobody gonna be in here. I had a live stream on Call Mobile earlier today, and it was all right. Had a good crowd there, but this is still in the works. I ain't even getting paid for like this YouTube channel yet, but we need the watch time, so I was like, why not go live and do what I did? You know what I'm saying? What was going on with you, bro? How you been? Bro, I should have went to YouTube TV and put the game up so I kind of watch the game while I code too. YouTube TV. I ain't thinking about that till like right now.
After the game, that it is not expected.
I ain't gonna mute that. There you go. Hey, your button, can you hear me? Oh yeah, all good, bro. I just make sure you hear me because I ain't been getting no feedback from the stream, so I didn't know if the sound's good or nothing. So you're the first person I got to ask. Okay. Anyway, let's continue with this. I still say unidentified. See, that works. Nah, that didn't work either. options equal, and then we're gonna say responsive, and set that to true. And then we're gonna say plugins, and then legend display, and we'll say false. That maybe, yeah, like that. I get that ain't what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Ah, this says label. There we go. That looks better. Couldn't get that thing to work right for nothing. All right, now we actually looking a lot better. This canvas. So what's the deal with this? I wonder. So we got a height of 220 pixels. And it's not gonna let you change that. At least it doesn't look like it initially. Say width 440. Wonder if I can change this. I'm not 100% sure, and just make it longer to fill in the rest of this box. ReactJs, change size, change height. I guess it'd be CC. Oh, maintain aspect ratio. Okay, that's a cool little setting. Still a lot of stuff about this chart.js stuff I don't necessarily know. But I guess we can just put that right there. Did that change something? No, not really. Okay. Now let me see something. Okay, it'll change now. I had to disable that. So now it'll let me change it. So what if I just want to say 100% of this? That'll be that. Okay. I like that. I like that. I want the width to be 100% too. So 100%. If I disable that, what'll happen? Okay. Okay. So create a container around it. So if I go to this line right here, if I, let me zoom out a little bit. Go to line, move that here. I add a div and simply say style, and then if I say width, if I say 100%, what happens then? Nothing necessarily. But if I say height 100%, what do we get then? Nothing necessarily. Okay. Maybe I should just put it online then. It didn't re-render. Man, where is this, Drew? I don't understand that. Bruh. Man, this is that good. This is that coding stuff, babe. It's man, you know, the reason why I wasn't playing games is because I was learning how to do this and make money off it. So long story short, I'm using this here. It's telling this what to show, basically. That's basically what's happening. Long story short, that's what's happening. This right here, oh, wrong one. This right here is telling this what to do. And so that's what's going on. Trying to make this thing, trying to make this line chart, and chart inspect element now. All right, now it's playing with me. Okay, I knew something wasn't right. I need to slide this over. Element style. Maybe if I put important in there. I'm gonna head out, Drew. Gotta run the air and see you on another stream for sure. All right, man. Appreciate it. Probably gonna be on the other channel. Let's find this out, bro. See, if I do it that way, it does nothing. Oh. Let's see, that works. Oh wow, that's this div ain't got no height to it. Alright, I felt like that should have worked. Or maybe I need to make the div have height to it. See that now it's doing something. I guess we'll go ahead and I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay. So we got the amount. We have the chart working now. Rolling. This should just be matter comment. Total amount spent. Damn. Activities. Or OP. Fonts. Where? Hold on. Oh, this right here. That should fix it. Yep. And that's not gonna be that. That's gonna be this right here. Gonna be a drop down. I can keep that because I might have to add it up here. But that's gonna be a drop down. So yeah, drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Then we're gonna get that. So we want this. So we want menu props. Type menu props. And we also want drop down. And we want space. And that'll be coming from design. Go back like it was. That perfect. All right. This one might need his own, huh? Oh, wait, did I add a comma? I don't think I had a comma here. It might work. It need its own. That's TypeScript. Okay. That's TypeScript. Okay. Now we need to like that. We need to select. Select. Yeah, you're right. All right. So we need to add one more thing here. We need to add a extra right here. That'll work. Placeholder. Perfect. Right now we don't need form. That plus sign, we're gonna need it up there, so. Let's say week. And then that looks good. Default value equals week. So everything is working now. These don't change yet, but that will be changing at some point in time once we finish the rest of this. But we do have the have it looking like it changes, but that looks good. Looks good. So this chart is going to change depending on what this says from month to week. So those values right there change as well. And so we're looking good. We have the categories up, the limits for each category up. We have the transactions up. And so I want to add a button on the your total income, the add income, and then your total savings. We do want to add something here as well. So we're gonna have a button here and another button here, and then this won't have a button. And then we'll have this button here. So let's go ahead and add these buttons. Now I added the button once before, and so all I really got to do is go to the budget, not budget form, the overview. If I go to the overview, I scroll down. Let me zoom out a little bit, and it should be the first one. Let me go over, here it is. So like this. So I want this right here, like that. And gonna go back to, oh no, right here. So let's add it. We're gonna go back here, and we're gonna zoom in a little bit and move that so people can see. And we gotta go to the total income. So if we go to budget and savings, right here where it says, not that, card name, hoverable, border, text, margin. So text, let me see something. Let me see, hello. Say hello. Let's add to both. So if I add a button, it's gonna add the button to both of these off the bat. And so that could work. I just don't want both to actually, I don't want it to have this, but I do want both to have a button. So just take the on click away like this. Perfect. Okay, now that both of those have a button, we want to separate these buttons, and so we got to add a class on this. So class is just going to be called flex between, this. So class flex between, like that. And actually take that away. Let's add it, another div here, and that div. It's gonna have the class, and then Control X, paste it in, format document, like that. And it looks like I must already take that away. Okay, I got it. I see what's going on. It shouldn't be this. It shouldn't be. Okay. I see what's going on. Take this out. Add it below. And that should fix what we got going on here. Okay, perfect. All right, now let's go to index.css and add this dot flex between display flex and then flex direction. Just file content place between like that. Let me refresh real quick. Not getting what I want here. Oh, I already got it right there. Oh, I see what's going on. Easy fix. Easy fix. Change that to title. Anyway, and then grab that button. And then level 5. Oh yeah. There we go. And now that actually looks a whole lot better. So we have the buttons here. They don't do anything yet, but that'll change. I may have to separate these buttons so they have a separate call here. Oh, but I may not. So everything is looking a whole lot better. Had our buttons, we got the amount, we got the limits. Had this working. Okay, everything is looking a whole lot better. There we go. Really starting to look like an app now. The stuff's starting to get filled in. I ain't filled in stuff here yet. And kind of how I want. I'm gonna have it go sideways. Have that go sideways. Big graph. You know, if you click on one of the icons. Yeah. Yeah. So I do want just like this one. Just like the stock graph. I do want it to get like long like that. So go out. Let's go to stock graph. Investment. Extra large. Width. 100%. I think if I change this to 40%, got 3 things in there. So you could go, we're going to go 100. Give me, I want the chart to be about 50%, and then I want 25. So let's say 25% here. And then on this one, let's say I want 50% there. It's a weird little dynamic. Maybe I shouldn't do a space. Interesting. Yeah, let's not do a space. I feel like it'll work. So I go to budget. I go all the way down. This space. Just make it a div. That. Yeah, that changes some shit right there, doesn't it? So let's do that. Now make it a space, make it a div. Let's go to index and let's change some things real quick. First of all, for the minimum width of this, let's get rid of that. Large, get rid of that. Okay. See, now it's just 100%. But what we're gonna do is change it up top. And here for the 3, I really just want it to be, I want that chart, which I ain't mad at this look, just not authentic enough for me, because we're gonna add something else that kind of scrolls. So let's see, which one does this have? This has large items color. It has card large 3. Okay, so card large 3, I want it to be 50%. Okay. %. Okay, so I gotta go a little bit below that. So let's go 48, 24. Well, what the hell just happened? That boy fumbled. That boy fumble. Anyway. Yeah, it look like it worked. I'm gonna push the edge here. I'm gonna push the edge. So if I say 25, 25, 49. Okay, that don't work. So we're gonna keep it at 4, 4. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks 1,000 times better. All right, I got buttons. We have like a little top thing here. Now, honestly, could add even more padding here, but I'm not gonna do it. Income. Now I just gotta add the row of scrolling through all the we got transactions, categories, transactions, categories, activity, and then I think we need like we either do a see all tab like this one, or my original idea was just to have it scroll like this. So just have big icons, have a scroll, and have all the transactions, something like this. And if you click see all, it'll just take you. It's just gonna take you down, and it's all gonna be on that one page. That's probably what I'm gonna do. See all button, you click it, it just take you right to this one page, and then you can sort through all your transactions. So that's probably what I have it do. You just sort through all your transactions, and yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna do this sorting, but that's fine. We have the base functionality finished, which would be the transactions here, which will have all the transactions here as well. But this will only be, I'm gonna have this link to this. So week, month. Once you hit month, it's gonna have transactions for the week, for the month, and then you change that, it's gonna have transactions for the week. So this is gonna tie into this. And then we got monthly limit remaining. Okay, everything looks good here so far. Oh, that moved. I need a large dash one somewhere. So budget. -1. And then, okay, yeah, we fixed that. For the budget, this still works how I want it to. Everything is looking good. The buttons don't do anything yet, which is fine. But everything looks the part is the main concern. And then everything here, I'll let it stay like this. I wanted this to grow because I wanted it back to back. I want these just in pixels. I need for them to grow. Okay, but that's it for today. We'll be coding again tomorrow.